My channel and welcome to day 11 of Vlogmas 2018. We're going to be opening day 11 of our calendars. Let's get straight into it with the Airwick calendar. Every day throughout December we have a new, a new tea light. There are 3 different scents. So let's see what scent we've got for day 11. I absolutely just stabbed the death out of this with my scissors. And we have got the purple one, which I believe is the berries one, the winter berries. Smells lovely and very, very nice. Let's move on to this one, which is the one that I made myself. Oh gosh, okay. Ooh, there it is. Let's just be careful, 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 careful. We better leave that showing, otherwise we'll end up looking for it and we won't know where it is, will we? Day 11, I think I might know what this is. Yes, there's quite a few of these in this calendar. But this is another one of these glitters. This one is in the shade Heartbreaker and it is like an iridescent-y purpley colour. I just can't wait to try these out and just see what they're like, because obviously I've got like quite a few of them. I just want to see what they're like and if they're any good, and hopefully, fingers crossed, they will be. And hopefully they will be featured in a few makeup looks this month. Let's move on to the sleek one. Sleek, day 11. It's written out. It's day 11. I can't get into it. Oh, I think it's another brush. Oh, it is. It's another makeup brush. We have got a makeup brush from Sleek already. This one is different. They don't tend to say on them what they are, like, you know, like Real Techniques might say like what type brush they are. But this is what it looks like. And yeah, I mean, it's nice. It's good. Probably going to be like, I'll probably use this like a crease brush, or like smudging under the eye, like the eyeline and stuff. Let's move on to the Serpent Glory one. This is starting to feel quite light now. I mean, we're not even halfway through, but day 11. Oh man, day 11 is another sample. I'm bored of these samples now. So this is a sample of the Rich and Famous Shower and Body Wash. 8 ml, and that is just what it looks like. It just comes in a pack, just like that. Moving on to the L one, and on that note, I will say cheers, my dears. Ching ching. Number 11. Nearly forgot what number we were on, and I've lost my scissors. Again. Number 11. Number 11. Oh, here's number 11. It's quite a big one. This is interesting. Oh, it's a makeup brush. Can't close that now. It's a makeup brush, but it's in very interesting. It's like in a box. So it's an eyeshadow. Ooh, okay. It's an eyeshadow brush in a box. In a box. Not that that's so shocking that an eyeshadow brush came in a box, but you guys know what I'm saying. Oh, wow, this is big. Like I could see that. I feel like this could even be used for like a concealer or something. It does say eyeshadow or contour, so that's what it looks like. I've probably just got my eyeshadow on it now, but never mind. And it's from Beauty Pie. Ooh, very, very exciting. Alrighty then, let's move on to the Glossy box. The most beautiful box of all time. I'm definitely going to be keeping this. Oh, mind you, if it was drawers, I would have kept it. Oh, I could use it as shelves though. Look, can you guys see? Like I might even, oh, it's not very strong, but I could maybe use this as like shelving because it's so cute. Number 11 is up here. Oh. Can we close her? Probably not, because things are in the way. love that I have to shuffle about the flipping room. It's hilarious. So, number 11 has Belle Pierre Kiss Proof Finish Lip. Well, Kiss Proof Lip Finish. Yes! I'm excited. Oh, okay. This must be to put on over whatever you're wearing. Shut the front door. Do I just put this on now and it will make it waterproof? Let's try it out. Or do I do a video? No, I need to do a video on this. I'm going to keep this in the box so that I can like read up the instructions and that. But I'm imagining, because from what it says, after allowing the Kiss Proof lip to dry, apply the lip finish. Oh. It says, so it's basically they want you to use their product first. But surely you don't have to do that. But then like this isn't very dry. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be researching this and trying it out. So if anyone's excited about that or really wants to see that, let me know and I will do it sooner rather than later. Let's move on to Body Shop's day 11, which is right here. Oh god. And it says, leave the car at home. Oh my god, I don't drive anyway, so you know, it's fine. Greg just drives everywhere though. Ooh, we have another lip product. Shine. So, do I have any of these? I think I have one of these that's red. I believe I have one of these in red that I think probably came in my box last year. This is the Shine. It might not be the same one though. I think it might have been a matte one. This is the Shine Lip Liquid in Orange Lollipop. How cute. Oh my god, I love it. I can't wait to try that out. I'll let you guys know what I think about it when I try it out. 2, 4, 6, 7, one more left. I feel like we're starting to approach halfway now and I'm getting sad. Ooh, it's this again. I have so many of these, you guys. I don't know if I've mentioned this to you guys before, I'm sure I have. Obviously, last year's calendar. Maybe the Look Fantastic one, maybe an M&S one. I have no idea, but I definitely know I have at least 2 of these already. But I tell you what, this smells really, really good. I really, really like the smell of it. It does smell really, really good. It's just a body cream, organic rice milk and cherry blossom, and I swear it smells so freaking nice. So even though I have already got quite a few of these, I'm still happy to have got it again. It's just, I think the problem is I have so many that it's not, because obviously like you're aware, I have quite a few Body Shop ones, that it's like I'm not even going to get round to using one of these ones because I'm trying to use those ones and it's very complicated. But the main issue is I just don't use them, like I'm not using them enough. Cheers to that, by the way. Ching ching. But like when I'm just sat here, I need to just like apply some body lotion. I have started using my Body Shop ones before I go to bed and stuff, or like on the morning, and the smell lasts quite a while as well, and I just love it. So anyway, I'm going to stop rambling now. Yes, I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to say, because we are sort of approaching halfway, I am really excited about Vlogmas. I'm excited to share these videos with you guys. I'm excited for all my like other videos as well as the unboxing calendar ones, and like even just like my weekly vlogs and that are going to be going up on Sundays. I'm really, really excited to share this journey with you guys, and I hope that you guys are going to be in it for the long run and that you're enjoying what is going on, because I am. I'm super, super excited for Christmas. I really hope that you guys are all doing well. Also, I just wanted to touch on the calendars so far. The Body Shop one I'm really, really pleased with. The Glade one, I just think it's a really cute idea. I do think it's a really cute idea. It wasn't, you know, really expensive, and they do smell quite strong, so I'm really pleased with that too. The Sleek one I'm happy with. The Soap and Glory one I am happy with. I just think there's the sample. I feel like there's probably going to be better to come, and I am aware that you are going to put little samples in so that you can then make bigger and better ones, if that makes sense. The L one, really, really good. The one that I made myself is a bit rubbish, I'm not gonna lie. The Glossy Box one, I'm really pleased with that and some of the things that we've got in that, and also the Look Fantastic one. So far, I'm really pleased with the things that I've received, and I can't wait to carry on. So I'm going to say I love you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.